Hi, my love. I know by now you must have downloaded your CapCut and you're wondering, what am I going to do next? What is the next thing? This is what we are going to do next. CapCut is not hard, so relax. Remember, this is CapCut class 101. You are going to get every information you need. I'm going to teach you how to import your video from your phone to your CapCut app. Let's say you finish recording what you want to see, you've sat down in front of your camera. Now we're going to use this particular clip here as our sample. This clip is going to be what we'll be using from the beginning of this class to the end. I think this is what we are going to be working on. You are going to work with me hand in hand. The first thing is, I finished recording this video and I want to take this video from my phone to my CapCut app. This is how you are going to achieve that. First thing first, you go over to your CapCut, open your CapCut app, go over to new project. Under your new project, pick the video you need, and like I said, we'll be working on this particular one. You tap on it and you click on add. Once you've clicked on add, I have to mute the video so that it would not disturb the voiceover. Once you click on add, automatically you have your video imported. This is it. You have your videos imported from your CapCut app, from your photos to your CapCut app. This is how you import. And let's say, for example, you want to import more than 2 videos, more than 10, depending. All you have to do is go to your videos. You tap on this circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pick as much as you need. Pick the total number of videos you'll be needing to edit, and then you click on add. This way your videos are here. This is how to add your videos from your photos to your CapCut app. This is how it is being done. That is how to take your videos from your gallery to your CapCut app. In the next video, I'm going to tell you how to move your photos to your CapCut app.
You want to do is run.